the largest commissure of brain is? Correct answer option B, corpus callosum. 54. Which among these is a fibrocartilaginous joint? Correct answer option C, symphysis. 55. Which among the following organs are lined by single columnar epithelium? Correct answer option B, 1 and 3. Non-protein organic compound that is necessary for the functioning of an enzyme. Correct answer option C, coenzyme. 58. Acid phosphatase level in plasma are elevated in. Correct answer option B, prostate cancer. 59. Which of the following does not occur when sodium intake is increased above normal? Correct answer option B, angiotensin II formation is increased. 60th question. The respiratory center is located in. Correct answer option C, medulla oblongata and pons. 61. A mammal which is capable of laying egg is. Correct answer option A, platypus. 65. Scientific name of a common cobra or Indian cobra is. Correct answer option B, Naja naja. 66. The only ape found in India is. Correct answer option A, Hoolock gibber. Vitamin A is very rich in. Correct answer option C, fish oils. Metabolic water produced from 1 gram of a starch is. Correct answer option B, 0.56 gram. 81. The major inorganic component of animal body is. Correct answer option D, calcium. Sesame meal is defect in limiting amino acids. Correct answer option B, lysine. Primary component of a glucose tolerance factor is. Correct answer option B, chromium. When a wound edges are even opposed and have good circulation, then. Correct answer option A, healing of a wound by first intention takes place. Loss of writing reflex, abnormal locomotion and muscle tremors in snake are indicative of deficiency of which of the following? Correct answer option B, thiamine.